High Commissioners, Ambassadors, Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Your Excellency, it is with great pleasure that I join you and honorable guests in the celebration of the 54th UAE National Day, Eid al-Ittihad. And on this joyous occasion, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the leadership and people of the United Arab Emirates, our brothers and sisters. My heartiest felicitations to my dear brother, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the UAE and ruler of Abu Dhabi, as well as His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. Ladies and gentlemen, my earliest memories of the UAE are of a land that believed in possibilities long before they became realities. Witnessing the UAE's remarkable journey as it attains new heights of progress fills all of us with profound admiration for not only His Highness, my very dear brother Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE, but his great late father, Sheikh Zayed, may Allah grant, place him in Jannah, who was the real architect of this great brotherhood, fraternity and friendship between Pakistan and UAE. My friends, today we also honor the enduring spirit of brotherhood that binds our two nations. Pakistan takes great pride in its strategic partnership with the UAE, which continues to deepen across nearly every domain of life. Our economic partnership stands as a shining example of this collaboration, with the UAE lending critical support to our economy. Excellency, with Pakistan's economy stabilizing, we stand ready to welcome Emirati investment in renewable energy, AI, fintech, agriculture and minerals. Ladies and gentlemen, at the heart of our enduring relationship lie our people, the 1.8 million Pakistanis who consider the UAE as their second home and who contribute tirelessly to its economic progress across diverse sectors. And they are obviously making great contributions in nation-building efforts in UAE, making all Pakistanis very proud of them. Today, the UAE flies not only on its skyline of achievements, but also over the hearts of millions who admire this nation's vision under the dynamic leadership of my very dear brother, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE. May the coming years bring even deeper cooperation, greater prosperity and enduring peace to Pakistan, the UAE and the wider region. Thank you all. Eid al-Ittihad Mubarak. Pakistan, UAE Dosti Zindabad.
मुत्तहिदा अरब अमारात के कौमी दिन ईद उल इत्तिहाद के हवाले से तकरीब। UAE की मौजूदा क़यादत ने मुल्क को तरक्की की राह पर गामज़न किया। वज़ीर आज़म ने अपने मुख्तसर खिताब में भरपूर इजहार किया पाकिस्तान और UAE की दोस्ती के हवाले से, और दोनों ममालिक में इस वक्त मुख्तलिफ मुआहिदों पर अमल दरामद होते हुए कोलिब्रेशन के साथ मईशत को भी आगे बढ़ाया जा रहा है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।